Hello my friends, welcome to Yoga After 40, a channel where we embrace aging because you're never too old and it's never too late to start your yoga journey. So today's class is all about the best poses for women over 40. So if you are 40 or 51 like me, this class is for you. We're going to be stretching the whole body while we're also working on strengthening our upper body and our lower body. So stay with me and let me show you some of the best poses that you can practice daily. So we're starting today in our butterfly. So bring the sole of the feet together, roll the shoulders back and lengthen the spine. This way we are stretching the inner thighs, the groin, and we're opening the hips. As we get older, our hips get really tight and we hold a lot of trauma on our hips. So doing a pose like this every single day or at least a few times a week is going to help you melt some of that stress away. So start finding movement, you can find stillness, and try to take about 3 to 5 breaths. And if you can stay a little longer, even better. Remember, we always inhale and exhale through the nose. Try to make those exhales probably twice as long as your inhales, if possible. Stay connected with your breath. Stay present. And just keep breathing. So our second pose is Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold. So make sure that your toes are facing up, that way you're stretching the whole back side of the body. Roll the shoulders back and sit up tall in here. Take a deep breath in, sweeping the arms all the way up to the sky. And on your exhale, start folding forward. Folding from the hips instead of the waist. Relaxing the shoulders, the neck, and the face. This is a great pose for those of you who are self-menstruating. It alleviates some of the menstrual cycle pain. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna come back to seated and we're gonna kick the legs back, coming into a cat-cow position. So for your cat-cow, you want to make sure that your wrists are stacked under the shoulders and your knees are stacked under the hips. So relax the shoulders, the neck and the face. Drop the belly, shoulders away from the ears. Slightly look up. Take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, we're going to round the spine, taking a cat position. So we're strengthening and lengthening the spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, come into your cow. Exhale, round. Coming into your cat. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round one more time. Inhale, come up. Exhale, round. Come back to center. Now we're gonna tuck our toes and we're gonna come into our downward facing dog. Sending the hips all the way back and up. Spread all 10 fingers. So we're strengthening the arms, the shoulders, stretching the whole back side of the legs, working on our glutes, sit up your core. Bend the knees if you need to, so micro bend the knees, taking the chest a little bit closer to your thighs and sending the hips a little bit higher. Now look forward and walk towards the front of the mat. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Coming into your ragdoll, so feel free to grab opposite elbows, maybe rock side to side. Now take your hands to the mat, maybe you take your hands to the chest, maybe you take your hands to your thighs. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, fold. Taking the arms by the side, inhale, sweep the arms all the way up to the sky. And now take your hands to your heart, coming into a prayer. Standing up tall in here, rolling the shoulders back. Spread all 10 toes. And we're coming into a warrior one. So we're gonna take the left leg back, bend the front knee. So now your right knee stack over your right heel, your back foot is on a 45. Your hips should be facing the front of the mat. And now take the arms all the way up. Zip up your core, hands are facing each other. Back foot is on a 45. Just make sure that your back leg is in one straight line. So we keep a natural straight line of the back leg. From here, we're gonna take active arms, so bend the arms, roll the shoulders back, micro bend the back in here, gaze up, and now take the arms behind the back, interlacing the hands, rolling the shoulders back, take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, start folding forward, coming into the inside of the right leg for your humble warrior. So we're building strength on the legs, keeping that core engaged. Now come all the way up, release the bind, and now we're going to pivot the body to face the left side of the mat. Make sure that your feet are facing out and you're grounding through all 4 pads of your feet. Keeping your inner thighs engaged. We take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, fold forward. Either taking the hands to the mat to find balance. Maybe you grab the big toes, maybe you grab the legs. Maybe use the strength of the arms to pull the chest a little closer to your thighs, so the crown of the head touches the mat today. Now take the hands back to the mat. And we're going to pivot the body to frame the left leg. Your back foot is on the 45. We inhale, lengthen, exhale, fold over the left leg. Now bend the left knee, back foot is on a 45, and we're coming back into a warrior one. Remember, your hips are square, your hips should be facing the back of the mat in this case. Bend the left knee so your knees stack over the heel. His arms micro bend the back, roll the shoulders back, gaze up. Take the arms behind the back, interlacing the hands, rolling the shoulders back. Take a deep breath in, and then slowly exhale and start folding forward. And then slowly come all the way up. Release the bind. Pivot towards the left side of the mat. From here, we're coming into a goddess pose. So for your goddess pose, make sure that your feet are facing the corners of the mat. Bend the knees, and we're gonna either find stillness or find movement in here. So squat as slow as you can. You can take the hands to the knees. You can bring one shoulder down, pressing the left knee out. Come back to center. Now bring the right shoulder down and press the right knee out. Come back to center. Now slowly start straining in both legs. Turn into the right side. Take the hands to the mat. Step your right foot back, coming into a high plank.
So keep pressing the mat away, sit up your core, shift your weight forward, so now your shoulders are stacked over the wrist. Make sure that you're spreading all 10 fingers. Now bring the knees to the mat and take your child's pose. You can take your child's pose either with the knees together, but knees not width apart. Sending the hips back to your heels. Maybe taking the forehead to the mat. Maybe wrapping the arms around the legs. Allowing yourself to relax. So now we're gonna come flat on the mat. So we're gonna lay on our backs. And we're gonna bring the knees to the chest. Giving yourself a hug, rocking side to side to massage the lower back. Coming into your happy baby. So bend the knees, grab the outside of your feet. Knees are facing out, relaxing the shoulders. Finding stillness or finding movement. Maybe using the strength of the arms to pull the knees a little closer to the chest. So we're stretching the inner thighs, opening the hips, the groins. Bring the sole of the feet together for your reclined butterfly, pressing the feet towards the hands, bringing the elbows in. So your elbows are hugging the rib cage, your knees are facing out, your tailbone is on the mat. And now we're gonna let go of the feet and we're gonna bring the feet to the mat. Now the knees are facing out again. Relaxing the whole body, taking the arms by the side, hands facing up. Start relaxing your eyes, your lips, your shoulders, your chest, back, belly, legs, glutes, feet. Remember that you're beautiful the way you are, you're strong, you're fearless, you're brave, you're worthy, you are enough, and you're unstoppable. I want to thank you so much for allowing me to take you through this beautiful journey of yoga. Remember, I'm here for you. I started my yoga journey at 41. I'll be 51 next week. So I've been in this journey for 10 years. And my intention is to help every woman out there to feel comfortable in their own skin, to get stronger and to get more flexible as we age. If you have any questions, if you have any requests, feel free to leave me a comment below. And if you feel like you can share this video with somebody that might need, to get strong just like you, to feel good in her own body, go ahead and share with that person. Maybe your sister, your mother, your best friend. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much again. Have a beautiful day wherever you are.